Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to another exciting culinary adventure via eGreen Channel. Are you on the hunt for a meal that's not only quick and easy to prepare, but also healthy and bursting with flavor? Look no further than the wonderful world of stir-fry. This versatile cooking method is a game changer for anyone looking to whip up a delicious meal in no time. Stir-frying is all about speed and simplicity, making it the perfect choice for those busy weeknights when you need to get dinner on the table fast. Imagine this. In just 15 minutes, you can have a steaming plate of vibrant, plant-based goodness ready to enjoy. Stir-frying is a fantastic way to pack in a rainbow of vegetables, each bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can mix and match your favorite veggies to create a dish that's uniquely yours. One of the best things about stir-frying is its flexibility. You can easily swap ingredients to use what you have on hand or cater to different dietary needs. Whether you're a fan of tofu, tempeh, or just a variety of fresh vegetables, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and create a symphony of flavors with this easy and exciting plant-based stir-fry recipe. Start by selecting the freshest vegetables you can find. Think bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, carrots, and mushrooms. The more colorful, the better. Give your veggies a good wash to ensure they're clean and ready to go. Next, chop them into bite-sized pieces. This not only makes them easier to eat, but also helps them cook evenly. Heat up your wok or large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add a splash of oil and let it get nice and hot. Toss in your vegetables and stir-fry them for a few minutes until they start to soften. The key is to keep them moving so they cook evenly and don't burn. Now it's time to add your sauce. You can use a store-bought stir-fry sauce or make your own with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a touch of sweetness, like honey or maple syrup. Mix everything together and let the flavors meld for a couple of minutes. The aroma will be irresistible. Finally, serve your stir-fry over a bed of rice or noodles and garnish with some fresh herbs or sesame seeds for an extra touch of flavor and texture. There you have it. A quick, healthy, and incredibly delicious stir-fry that's sure to impress. Enjoy your meal and happy cooking. Let's talk ingredients. When it comes to creating a vibrant and nutritious dish, the key lies in the quality and variety of your vegetables. Freshness is paramount, and the more colorful your selection, the better. Each color represents different nutrients and health benefits, making your meal not only visually appealing, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. This recipe is a celebration of fresh, colorful vegetables. Think of it as a canvas where you can paint with the hues of nature. From deep greens to bright oranges and reds, every vegetable brings its own unique flavor and nutritional profile to the table. Feel free to get creative and add your personal favorites. Whether you prefer the earthy taste of root vegetables or the crispness of leafy greens, there's no wrong choice. The beauty of this recipe is its flexibility, allowing you to tailor it to your taste and nutritional needs. Broccoli. 1 cup of broccoli packs in your daily dose of vitamin C. This cruciferous vegetable is not only rich in vitamins, but also contains fiber and antioxidants that support overall health. It's a versatile ingredient that can be steamed, roasted, or eaten raw. Cut them into bite-sized florets. This makes them easier to cook evenly and ensures that every bite is packed with flavor and nutrients. Plus, smaller pieces are perfect for stir-fries, salads, and even as a crunchy snack. Carrots. These orange wonders are packed with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert to vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for good vision, a strong immune system, and healthy skin. Carrots add a natural sweetness and vibrant colour to any dish. Slice them thinly, or use a julienne peeler for long, elegant strips. Thin slices cook quickly and evenly, making them perfect for stir-fries and salads. Julienne strips, on the other hand, add a touch of sophistication to your presentation. Snap peas. These add a delightful crunch and are a good source of vitamin K. Vitamin K is crucial for bone health and helps in blood clotting. Snap peas are also low in calories, making them a great addition to any weight-conscious diet. Trim the ends and remove the strings for a more enjoyable eating experience. This simple step ensures that the peas are tender and easy to chew, enhancing their natural sweetness and crunch. Bell peppers. Red, yellow, or orange, these add sweetness and vitamin C. Each colour of bell pepper has its own unique flavour profile, with red being the sweetest and green the most bitter. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Slice them into thin strips. This not only makes them cook faster, but also ensures that their sweet, juicy flavour is evenly distributed throughout your dish. Thin strips are perfect for fajitas, stir-fries and salads, adding both colour and crunch. While you're prepping your veggies, let's talk about the aromatic heroes of our stir-fry, garlic. It adds a pungent kick and is believed to have various health benefits. Mince 2 cloves finely. Ginger. This root adds a warm, slightly spicy flavour. Peel and grate a small knob. Green onions. These add a mild onion flavour and a pop of colour. Slice them diagonally. Remember, prepping your ingredients beforehand makes the cooking process a breeze. Now for the fun part, the stir-fry. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the garlic and ginger and stir-fry for a minute until fragrant. Don't let them burn. Next, add the vegetables, starting with the ones that take longer to cook, like broccoli and carrots. Stir-fry for a few minutes, then add the snap peas and bell peppers. Keep those veggies moving. Section 5. Tofu Magic. Protein-packed and flavourful. To boost the protein content of our stir-fry, we'll be adding tofu. Tofu is like a blank canvas for flavour, soaking up the sauces and spices beautifully. Cut a block of firm tofu into bite-sized cubes and add it to the wok. Stir-fry for another 5 minutes, allowing the tofu to brown slightly. Section 6. Sauce Secrets. Creating a flavourful symphony. In this section, we will delve into the art of crafting the perfect sauce to elevate your stir-fry to new heights. A well-made sauce can transform a simple dish into a culinary masterpiece, bringing together a harmonious blend of flavours that dance on your palate. No stir-fry is complete without a delicious sauce. The sauce is the heart and soul of any stir-fry, infusing the dish with rich, complex flavours that make each bite a delight. Whether you prefer a savoury, sweet or tangy profile, the right sauce can make all the difference. In a small bowl, whisk together the essential ingredients that will form the base of your sauce. Each component plays a crucial role in building the flavour profile. So let's take a closer look at what you'll need. Soy sauce provides a savoury depth of flavour. This umami-rich ingredient is a staple in many Asian cuisines and serves as the foundation of our sauce. Its salty, robust taste enhances the overall flavour, making it a must-have. Use tamari for a gluten-free option. Tamari offers a similar depth of flavor to soy sauce, but without the gluten, making it an excellent alternative for those with dietary restrictions. Honey or maple syrup adds a touch of sweetness to balance the savory notes. The sweetness from honey or maple syrup creates a beautiful contrast, enhancing the overall complexity of the sauce. Choose honey for a floral, rich sweetness, or maple syrup for a more earthy, caramel-like flavor. Rice vinegar adds a tangy kick. This ingredient introduces a bright, acidic note that cuts through the richness of the soy sauce and sweeteners, adding a refreshing balance to the sauce. You can substitute it with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar offers a similar tanginess with a slightly fruitier undertone, making it a versatile alternative to rice vinegar. Cornstarch helps thicken the sauce. This thickening agent ensures that the sauce clings to the vegetables and proteins, creating a luscious, glossy coating that enhances the dish's texture. Whisk it in a tablespoon of water before adding it to the sauce mixture. This step prevents clumping and ensures a smooth, even consistency, allowing the cornstarch to integrate seamlessly into the sauce. Pour this magical concoction over the stir-fry and let it simmer for a minute until the sauce thickens and coats the vegetables beautifully. As the sauce simmers, it melds with the ingredients, creating a cohesive dish where every bite is infused with flavor. The final result is a stir-fry that is not only visually appealing but also bursting with taste, making it a true symphony of flavors. Section 7. Serving up your masterpiece. Garnishes and sides. Your vibrant and flavorful stir-fry is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it over a bed of fluffy brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal. For an extra touch of flavor and texture, sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds and chopped green onions on top. Section 8. Health benefits in every bite. This plant-based stir-fry is not just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable known for its cancer-fighting properties. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, which promotes good vision. Snap peas, a good source of fiber which aids digestion. Tofu, an excellent source of plant-based protein and iron. This dish is also low in calories and fat, making it a healthy and satisfying meal option. Section 9. Conclusion. Your culinary adventure awaits. Congratulations on creating a delicious and healthy plant-based stir-fry in under 15 minutes. Remember, this recipe is a guideline, not a rule book. Feel free to experiment with different vegetables, protein sources like tempeh or chickpeas, and sauces. Let your taste buds be your guide, and don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.